How to fix Instagram likes not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram likes not showing on Android phone. First, open settings and go to apps, and then type here Instagram. Now just wait, and first thing just click force stop here, and now go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just click storage and then click clear cache and try again, and now your problem will be fixed. It's easy, and just restart your phone and try. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.